Okay, right. Very good morning to all of you. So last class we completed multiples angles. Multiple angles means angle is multiplied with some positive integer value, means sine 2x, sine 3x, sine 4x, cos 4x, tan 3x. Like these are multiple angles. So multiple angles of trigonometric functions. So based on 2x we completed even number. Today odd number. Okay na? Any number, any angle is multiple of even number or multiple of odd number. Okay na? Other than that, nothing is there in that one. That's why even multiplication is completed. Next we are going to discuss odd. So prove that. Next one. Prove that sine 3x equal to. Prove that sine 3x. Each and every formula is very important. Each and every formula is very important. You have to practice with proof also. Right? So sine 3x equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. 4 sine cube x. You are going to prove with the help of sine 2x, with the help of sine a plus b cos a plus b. With the help of previous formulas, we are going to solve this. Listen. So we know that sine 3x can be written as sine x plus 2x. So I was writing sine 3x equal to sine of x plus 2x. X plus 2x we can write. X plus 2x. Is it clear? So otherwise you have to follow 2x plus x also. 2x plus x also. That is your choice. So here what you understand? X plus 2x is nothing but formula of sine x plus y, right? Sine x plus y. What is our formula? Sine x cos y plus cos x sine. So you apply this formula. So here x means x only. Y means what? 2x. Y means what? 2x. Now you apply the formula sine x cos 2x plus cos 2x sin x. So x plus x only, right? Y plus 2x you write. So expanded this formula. So sin x cos 2x plus cos 2x sin x. Clear? Now sin x cos 2x formula we already proved yesterday. So cos 2x we have 4 formulas. So which one we have to take? So cos 2x formula you have to take up. So you are solving sin 3x. So you have to take cos 2x formula in terms of sin only. In terms of sin only we have to consider. So in terms of sin is what? Cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. So substitute that value. So 1 minus 2 sin square x plus, again cos, we did a small mistake. Sin x cos 2x, sin 2x cos x. Sorry, sin 2x cos x. We did a small mistake there. So again we have to substitute sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x. Into cos x you write as it is. So after that, so you will take bracket here. So multiply these two. So what happens? Sin x into 1 sin x minus 2 sin cube plus 2 sin x into cos x into cos x, cos square x, cos x into cos x, cos square x. Understand? So first multiply these two, again 2 sin x, cos x into cos x is cos square x. Now sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus 2 sin x. So cos square x is there. Cos square x means what? From identity relations, cos square x is what? 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x. So cos square x is equal 1 minus sin square x. Why? So each and every value you should be converted in terms of sin. Why? You are doing sin 3x. Each and every value you should be converted into sines. Understand? Now simplification. Sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus these two multiply. So 2 sin x into 1, 2 sin x minus, so 2 sin x into sin square means 2 sin ratio 3x minus 2 sin ratio 3x. So now addition, sin x is there here plus 2 sin x is there. ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೋ? 3 sin x minus 2 sin cube x minus 2 sin cube x. ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೋ? minus 4 sin cube x minus 4 sin cube x. So what is that value? Sin 3x. Keep in box and practice. Sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Came or not? Note down fast. Right, next continuation. Prove that cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Next formula. Cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. See, consider cos 3x equal to cos of 2x plus x. So sum of two angles only we have to consider. Why we have to consider like that? We have sum of two angles, we have formulas. That's why we convert 2x plus x or x plus 2x. That is your choice. So cos x plus y formula, based on that cos x plus y formula. So cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So you apply this formula. So cos of 2x cos of x minus sin of 2x sin of x. Cos 2x cos x minus sin 2x sin x. So replace y by 2x, that's it. Next one. So here what value you are going to substitute for cos 2x? So now we are doing cos. That's why you have to take cos 2x in terms of cos only you take. In terms of cos is what? Cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. 2 cos square x minus 1. Is it clear? Now cos 2x means 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x minus sin 2x. We have only one formula, that's why you write in terms of sin cos only one formula. So no confusions in this. 2 sin x cos x into sin x. Next, multiply these two. What happens? 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin x into sin square x into cos x sin x into sin x sin square x cos x, right, as it is, right? So now each value you observe here, each value in cos only except this one. So this is also you converted in terms of cos. So write so 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 of, so sin square x means what? 1 from identity relations, 1 minus cos square x into cos x, right? Now 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x you multiply, with bracket value. So what happens? Minus 2 cos x minus into minus plus 2 cos cube x minus 2 cos cube x. So minus 2 cos x, whole value multiply with bracket, then 2 cos cube x plus 2 cos cube x, both are added what? 4 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x added what? Minus 3 cos x. So that is our solution, cos 3x. That is our solution. Note down fast. Right. Next one is what? Sin cos after the tan 3x. So tan 3x formula is what? 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. This one we are going to prove with the help of previous formulas. So see, consider tan 3x equal to tan of 2x plus x. It can be expressed as 2x plus x, right? Now you apply the formula tan a plus means x plus y. So tan x plus y formation. So x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Right? So substitute that value. Same formation, tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. Right? Same formation written. So after that, what value you have to take? Tan 2x, we have one formula is there. So tan 2x, what is our formula? So yesterday we proved tan 2x equal to 2 tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So tan 2x, what is that formula? Substitute that one. So 2 tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x plus tan x divided by 1 minus 2 tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x into tan x. 1 minus 3, that proof once again see 1 minus 3 tan square x, right? Now, so tan 2x value substitute. Understand up to this? Where tan 2x is there, tan 2x value substituted. Understand? Now see that simplification. So in numerator, what is the LCM? I will clean this. See this. In numerator, tan 3x equal to, in numerator what is the LCM? In numerator what is the LCM? Here nothing is there, means you take 1. LCM is 1 minus tan square x, right? 1 minus tan square x. Next cross multiply. So 1 into this value. So 2 tan square x plus, so these two multiply. So tan x into 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x. Whole divided by. So in denominator, what is the LCM? Same LCM. So same LCM means 1 minus tan square x. So here nothing is there, means you take 1. So cross values, 1 into 1 minus tan square x minus bracket of 1 is multiplied whole numerator value. So 1 of 2 tan square x into tan x, means what is the value? Tan cube x. That is tan cube x 2, sorry, mistake we did here. Square is not there. Okay na? Here no square. Here also no square. 2 tan x alva. We did mistake there. No square. So this is tan square x. Here no square. We did small mistake. Okay na? Don't be confused. Next. Everywhere I skipped that value. Now see. So minus 2 tan square x. Tan x, 2 tan square x. Clear? So LCM will be cancelled. Next, tan 3x equal to 2 tan x. So again tan x is multiplied. So tan x into 1, tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x. Both are added. How much that value? 3 tan square x. 3 tan square x. So tan 3x equal to, so 2 tan x plus tan x. How much that value? 3 tan x. How much that value? 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. So that is our final solution. Understand? Note down fast. That is tan 3x. Right, continuation. So we completed sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x. So along with today we completed sin 3x, cos 3x, tan 3x. Using these formulas and before that sin x plus y, cos x plus y, tan x plus y, cot x plus y, and we did many questions. Okay, just we completed all formulas only. Okay, we using that formulas one by one. What values, what trigonometric values we are going to simplify. Using these formulas, okay, what trigonometric values we are going to simplify. Understand? So we have to simplify some trigonometric values. So before that, 30 degrees value sin 30 cos 30. So table also given. So other than that table, so using these formulas, we can also simplify some values. Then what values you see now, right? So next question. Find the values of find the values of sine 75 degrees, cos 75 degrees and tan 75 degrees. Find the values of, you note down the question only. Okay now? Note down the question only. So using these formulas, so first what we finished? Addition and difference means sum or difference of angles means sin x plus y, cos x plus y. You see that formulas now. So now first value I will take. What is the value? Sin 75. Sin 75 degrees. You can write sum of two acute angles, not with standard angles. You don't apply standard angles. With the help of acute angles. 75 I will write sin of 45 plus 30 degrees. With the help of acute angles, with the help of standard angles, we did many. With the help of standard angles, 90 plus 180 minus 270 plus 3, we did many formulas. Other than that, they defined cos x plus y, sin x plus y, tan x plus y. Using that formulas, we can simplify these values. So I will write 75 degrees is equal to 45 plus 30, right? I said very clearly that point only. Without using standard angles, you are using the formulas sin x plus y, cos x plus y. So in that sin x plus y, cos x plus y, no standard angles. Understand? Standard angles we are using means that is 90 plus 180 plus 270 plus 360 minus like. Other than that we are taking. Understand? See now. So now it is you consider x, it is you consider y. Then what happens? Sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin. Understand? So note down. Sin 45 degrees cos 30 degrees plus cos 45 degrees sin 30 degrees. Sin 45 degrees cos 30 degrees plus cos 45 sin 30. Just we apply the formula. Understand? Now already given table. So in the table, what is sin 45? 1 by root 2 into what is cos 30? Root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. Now 1 into root 3 divided by 2 into root 2 plus, so 1 into 1 divided by 2 into root 2 into root. Now what is the LCM? 2 root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. This is sin 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees value. Sin 75 degrees value means root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. That is our value. Note down fast. Right. Next, second one. What is the second one? cos 75. So now also you write 75. 75 is what? Cos 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. So you can take 30 plus 45 also. 30 plus 45 also. That is your choice. That is your choice. So it is the form of cos x plus y, where x equal to 45, y is equal to 30. So cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Sin x sin y. Now cos 45 degrees cos 30 degrees minus sin 45 degrees sin 30 degrees sin 30 degrees. Now substitute the values. Cos 45 1 by root 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus sin 45 1 by root 2 sin 30 1 by 2. So multiply these two. Root 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus 1 into 1 1 divided by root 2 into 2 2 into root 2. So what is our LCM? So 2 into root 2. Directly take numerator values root 3 minus 1. So this is the value of cos 75 degrees. Cos 75 degrees. Cos 75 degrees. Clear? Is it clear? Now, that is cos 75. Next, last one, tan 75 degrees. So tan 75 degrees you can do in two methods. You can do in two methods. Okay now, with the help of sin 75 and cos 75. That is one process. Okay, right? See, first process. Sin 75 degrees divided by cos 75 degrees. This is one of the process for simplifying cos 75. So you know already these values. How much that value? Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So simplified, how much you got? Root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. This is the value. Okay, now this is the process. In this process you will get very easily. So before that, what you know? Sin 75, cos 75 values you already know, you have to apply. Okay, now you don't know those values. You don't know those values means I will give second process. I will give second process. See this, you have to do rationalization. You have to modify this value. So into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. You have to modify this value. So tan 75 degrees equal to, so these two multiplied, root 3 plus 1 whole square divided by root 3 whole square minus 1 square. A minus b, a plus b. Root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Is it clear? Now, tan 75 degrees equal to a plus b whole square, root 3 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 3 divided by 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Now, tan 75 degrees equal to root 3 plus 1 whole square means 3. 1 square means 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 means 2. So tan 75 degrees equal to 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So again in numerator 2 is common. 2 of 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. So 2 to get cancelled. Remaining what? 2 plus root 3. So that is our tan 75 degrees value. 2 plus root 3 is a tan 75 degrees value. Tan 75 degrees equal to 2 plus root 3. So this is you consider case 1. This is you consider case 1. Case 2 I will explain. So which one is easy? You have to follow that one. Which one is easy? You have to follow that one. That's it. Both are same only. Both are having same solution. The process is different. The process is different. Note down fast. Right. Case 2. Case 2. Tan 75 degrees. It is equal to 75 can be written as previously tan of 45 degrees plus 30. You can take like this also. 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Is it right? So now what happens? Tan x plus y formula apply. So tan x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y into tan x into tan y. Now apply that. Tan 45 degrees plus tan 30 degrees divided by 1 minus tan 45 degrees tan 30 degrees. You know already tan 45 degrees value, tan 30 degrees value. Substitute tan 45 1 plus tan 30 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan 45 is 1. So 1 into tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3. So values substituted. Values substituted. Understand up to this? After that, so you take LCM in numerator. Root 3 is LCM. So now root 3 plus 1 divided by, here also root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So root 3 get cancelled. You are getting root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So this is tan 75 degrees. Tan 75 degrees. Root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. After that what we have to do? Tan 75 degrees equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. You do rationalization. So root 3 minus 1 divided by plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So numerator values both multiplied, what happens? Root 3 whole square directly writing. Next term root 3 2 root 3 plus 1 square means 1 divided by this is root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So numerator values root 3 plus 1 whole square directly expanded. Now 3 get cancelled. 3 plus 1 4 4 plus 2 root 3. So divided by 3 minus 1. So in numerator 2 is common, 2 plus root 3. So divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 to get cancelled. So answer is 2 plus root 3. So this is simplification already given in case 1. This is simplification clearly given in case 1. You have to go through that, we'll get the solution. Go through that, we'll get the solution. Note down fast. Note down fast. Okay, completed. Right. Next, second question. Second question. Find the values of second question. Find the values of sine 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees, and tan 15 degrees. Sine 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees, tan 15 degrees. You are going to simplify. So you take first value sine 15 degrees with the help of acute angles only you have to take. 50 degrees means 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30. It is nothing but 15. It is nothing but 15. So sine 45 minus 30. So sine x minus y formula. Sine x minus y formula. Sine x minus y is equal sine x cos y minus cos x sine. You apply this formula. So what happens? Sine 45 degrees cos 30 degrees minus cos 45 degrees sine 30 degrees. So we applied x equal to 45, y is equal to 30. Everything is clear up to this? Right. Next, sine 45 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 1 by root 2 into sine 30 degrees 1 by. Now take LCM directly. What is that? 2 root 2. So LCM is the same in both the cases. So what happens? And directly you take numerator values. Root 3 minus 1 directly written. Sine for 15 degrees. Sine 15 degrees equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬಂದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ you have to write your note point 1. So sine 15 degrees equal to cos 75 degrees equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root. Both values are same, you have to check it. Sine 15 degrees value, cos 75 degrees value, both are same. So we identified one note point. Clear? Note down fast. Sine 15 degrees value, cos 75 degrees value, both are same. Next one. Cos 15 degrees value. So cos 15 degrees can be written as 45 minus 15 degrees. 45 minus 15 degrees. So what happens? Cos x minus y formula you apply. Cos x minus y is equal cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. sin x sin y. So apply that formula. So what happens? This is cos 45 cos 15 plus sin 45 sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees. Clear up to this? Next. Cos 15 145 1 by root 2. Sorry, I did small mistake here, 30 degrees. Sorry. So this is 30. So this is also 30. I made small mistake. Next, cos 30 degrees value. How much? Root 3 by 2 plus this is also 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. So values are substituted, you take directly. Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 answer. Simplify. Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 cos 15 degrees. So the value yellow one kade bandalva. So note point. So this value cos 15 degrees equal to sin 75 degrees is equal to, both are same values. Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Both values are same. Both values are same. Note down fast. Both values should be same. Completed? Alright, next one. Next one, a tan 15 degrees. A tan 15 degrees. Tan 15 degrees means you have to do two solutions. That is your choice. That is your choice. Okay now? So I will follow case 2 here. Case 2 here. So what happens? Tan 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Substitute the values. Tan x minus y. Tan x minus y equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Tan x into tan y. So tan x minus y. So tan 45 degrees minus tan 30 degrees divided by 1 plus tan 45 degrees into tan 30 degrees. Tan x minus y formula applied. So now here you observe each and every formula. I will write beside of that solution. You have to identify each and every point. Now tan 45 is 1 minus tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus tan 45 is 1, tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. Now you take your numerator LCM and denominator LCM, then what happens? So numerator LCM is root 3, so 1 into root 3 minus 1 divided by, this is also root 3 LCM, root 3 plus 1. So root 3 get cancelled. Here we are getting tan 15 degrees equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. This is only remaining. Then what we have to do rationalization. So root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Now do. So tan 15 degrees equal to, do rationalization. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 whole square. You should expand that. a minus b whole square, a square b square minus 2ab divided by, so root 3 plus 1 root 3 minus 1 a square minus b square, so root 3 minus 1 whole square minus 1. So tan 15 degrees equal to root 3 plus root 3 whole square means 3, so 1 square means 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by, so root 3 whole square is 3, so 1 square means minus 1. Now tan 15 degrees equal to 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 2. So now 2 common and cancel. What happens? Tan 15 degrees 2 is common and cancel. What happens? 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. That is our tan 15 degrees value. Tan 15 degrees value. Okay, here we have to identify one more node point. Here we have to identify one more node point. See what is that node point. You have to note down that. So after completion of this, you have to do small node points. Small node point. Node point 1. So tan 75 degrees equal to cot 15 degrees. Both are same. Both are same. Tan 75, cot 75. Both are cot 15 degrees. Both are same. So tan 75, how much came? 2 plus root 3 na? 2 plus root 3. So this is first node point. Second node point, tan 15 degrees value, cot 75 degrees value, both are same. So 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. Note down these points. So tan 75 equal to cot 15 equal to 2 plus root 3. Values are same. So tan 15 degrees equal to cot 75 degrees equal to 2 minus root 3. These both are same. Both are same. So these all values you are taken from with the help of cos x plus y, cos x minus y, sin x plus y, sin x minus y, tan x plus y, tan x minus y. With the help of 6 formulas, we find some trigonometric values. We find some trigonometric values. Understand? Okay, na? Okay. So practice well. So continuation in next class. Continuation in next class. Thank you all. Thank you all.